Hello guys, back in another video. Today I'm going to be playing the thirstiest time of the year. So let's do this. Sorry if it's so laggy. Oh god. Someone beats at my door. Let me get a spark cranberry too, man. Oh god, no, let's go. Yo, got that Fanta though. Yo, let me close the door. This dude might just bust in my house. Want spark cranberry? This dude just busted in my door. Dude! Got my house. Dude, get out of my house! No! I just wasted all my coke. I just wasted all my. Come out, boys. Yeah, you just keep doing that, LeBron James. LeBron. This dude coming at me full speed. What? I'm out! Yeah, I wasted all my. I got scared and I wasted all of them. Not today, Chief. Yo, let me get that Sprite cranberry. Oh no. I actually do want Sprite cranberry right now. What the f? This dude just busted in people's houses. Come in here, I'll knock you out. Oh. I'm out, boys. I'm out. Not today, Chief. No, I don't want. I don't want your Sprite cranberry. This dude is Naruto running. What do you? Ah! Why did I click out? Oh my days! I clicked out. What's up, nigga? I'm sorry. No, I don't want your Sprite cranberry. I just want this. Oh. Get it, get it, get it, go. Get it, get it, get it. Get the drink. Yo, where is he? No, 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 no. Come out here, you gonna die. What the f? I had this one, Prairie. Wanna Sprite cranberry? So close. Go, 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 go. He ain't gonna see you if you don't go. Go, go, go. One boy. Fool. Your demise is here. Y'all want a Sprite cranberry? You mad cause I got your Fanta, boy? Come on, come on, come on. Hit or miss. Well, guys, that was the video. Hope you enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe, and enjoy. Stay awesome. Bye.